The world's fastest keyboard, LK Generation 2. For the past 30 years, commonly used metal switches will easily wear due to the oxidization, resulting in large numbers of defective units. But you may not know, the most headache for engineer is metal debounce noise. They have to wait till the debounce noise to disappear and waste 30 milliseconds delay. Delay issue is the worst for gaming gears. Today is the era of light strike. Revolutionary optical switch technology upgrades again. Second generation light strike. The new LK Generation 2 switch uses infrared sensor to react. No metal contact, no oxidization, never wear out. Exclusive, crisp sound and tactile feedback. Creates more passionate for gamers. The traditional metal switch wears out and creates noise. With LK2 technology, noise will totally disappear. Key response reached less than 0.2 milliseconds. The world's fastest keyboard, LK Generation 2. Enjoy the light strike speeding response in your gaming battlefield. High-tech and dust-free automatic manufacturing. Make sure every single switch is manufactured identically and accurately. Guarantee the quality of each key's tactile feedback after a long period of typing. Zero lag response with lightning speed. Faster than the fastest. The ultimate battle choice, LK2. Light strike, always one step ahead.